continue our journey.
Journey.
Last time we played pretty long and
Yeah, we have that big guy. Big
yeah, I
fella.
think the mic settings are better this time. We're trying to put the settings. So
Hopefully they
let
are.
us know how it is. Yeah, we know what this game is all about. We played it last time.
Yeah. Yeah, my controller is on now. Let's play.
What will happen? Oh,
Oh, these
it's a
fools.
it's a horror month, so we're in a horror place now. Oh my god! Oh, okay, they can eat you.
Can I get fire? Also.
No, I think you have to be
Yeah.
next to me.
Or little kid.
What?
Maybe we have to go there other way. This way.
That's a scary place. Very
Down
scary.
here? No? Can you move the fire? Or something? Yeah.
Oh, okay, I can press A. They can
Go
go away. Oh, they run away. There's eyes everywhere.
So
This is
what
like a
happened?
horror movie now.
Yeah.
Go away! Go away! It just disappeared.
Wait.
Still looking for that beer for our father. And now
Yeah.
we're just almost getting ourselves killed here.
Oh, there's a...
Hey! What? It's just suddenly turned off. What's that? Magic fire?
Ooh, what is this? Angel.
It's staring in my soul. What are you looking? Oh, you
This
get
is
that
a-
achievement.
Yeah, it's a falling star.
Oh, okay. You turn off.
There's like hidden stuff in this game.
You actually really need to press A with everything, just in case you miss something.
Building. In here.
Come, let us in.
What? Anybody home?
Oh no,
Oh no.
you're gonna be angry.
Yeah.
Kids, what the heck you want from me? Yeah, don't mind my brother. He's annoying, but just take a look at my map.
You don't want to stuck with me.
Atta.
Faster.
Ta. Oh, grandma, move. Oh, more of those evil creatures. I thought he's gonna push him.
No, we have to jump. Let's go swim.
Oh my god. You're gonna drown, come here. I guess I have to do the saving. Oh, I'm drowning. Where do I go? Down here?
Yeah.
Oh no!
On the
Do I have to
stone.
go here?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. We survived for another day.
Another chair.
Yes.
Sit down there.
I'm gonna take a rest. I've been walking so much. Yeah, it just shows us. Yeah, you could have died in there.
You were lucky. Fire. Can you grab it?
Ah, I can't take it. Okay, monkey boy, after you. We're gonna fall!
Yeah, now come.
You're
now
too
come.
fat!
You're too fat. What happened? Did it dead?
What happened? I was standing in the water.
Me.
I'm trying! I'm trying, you know.
Diba.
Did you die? What happened? Wow, you're so lucky.
How's it fun?
I'm dead.
Where are you?
Because we are separated. No?
I'm hurt.
Do I come there or you come here?
Maybe I should climb there. Huh?
Okay, I can do anything. I'm
Yeah.
just standing
I have to
clueless.
struggle. What? Yes. What was that? Free? Come on, alive?
Oh, I actually have to lift it up. That's why.
Ah, you have to move it so.
I don't want to drop it. Go down. I think you have to go down. So they don't reach you.
Yeah.
It's scary. And the trees are alive.
They don't like little children.
Yeah, especially. Why did you do that? Why did you move up?
No, I didn't. Can you move a little faster? I don't.
What if I just do this? Stop complaining. You don't want me to drop you, huh?
Take your time.
It's like you're having some. I don't know what to say.
Yeah. I have something going
Teaser
on.
in there. Come on now. Really?
Yeah. Let's read it now.
And we're not gonna do it now. You're gonna do that again.
No, that's not playing around.
Very scary. It would be shame if I drop you right now.
And we have to start again.
Yeah. Why don't you go up? Go up right now.
Can I?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Maybe not.
Well, that was
Alright, jumping down
swimming
there.
again. You're drowning. Oh,
Yeah.
can I swim faster, please?
Bring me
I'm
up
glad I
there.
can swim because we would be screwed.
Yep. My dad
You've
never
been underwater so
teach
long.
me
I
to
think you're
swim.
dead.
I'm still alive. Yep. What is that? Where we are?
That's an hand,
Yep.
if I ever seen one.
Who's this? Another big fella.
It's a giant. What the heck?
Is that our mom?
I don't know. She has.
Dad didn't.
It,
That was
I
everything.
hope he didn't do that. So creepy.
What's going on? They're tripping.
Yeah, I think we.
What did you?
I think we ate something. I think we're hallucinating right now.
What are you doing?
The heck? What the heck?
Why watching me? Who is tripping here? He or you?
Are you dead? What happened?
I had this bad dream, I guess.
Yeah, that's a bad trip for you, son. Okay, don't take
never,
too back.
never do drugs.
I thought I was tripping, but it was actually you.
Yeah, my drip.
Well, that was unexpected. I didn't think we were gonna take hallucinogens this game. Are you trying to kill yourself? No, no, not do it! Don't do it! Don't do it! Don't do it! Save her! You're on the way! I can't do anything.
Tästä kiivetä.
Yeah, save her.
What's going on here? People just
Why did
die.
you want to kill yourself like that? What is it? Is it a she? Can she talk to us?
This in here. Is this those bodies? Are they?
Can you tell me? Can you look the notes or something? And
No. We just well. Maybe he
What about her? I wanna know what's her
maybe he
story.
don't want to talk with us. So we saved her life, so maybe she's gonna.
Maybe, maybe. Mhm. Yeah. All right, all right, all right, all right. Can you understand? You're not as strong as me. Let me do it.
Blah blah blah. I went here. It looks dangerous.
What's happening? How can you jump like that? That's just crazy.
Spider-Man.
Think you have to lift it up or something so I can plug this in. Come on now. Hey! Okay. Nice work.
Yeah, teamwork.
That's a stupid design for a bridge. Ah. Another one of these benches. I need to sit down. I've been walking so much. I think this is more like admiring the
Yeah.
view.
Hey, look at that view again. Maybe there's like hidden something. This also.
Is that a bird? What's flying in the distance? Or is there dirt in my screen? One of these things. Okay, nice view. Let's go.
Tower. Maybe
Tammai! Let's go.
you blocked the way.
I'm scared, okay?
You can't be. It's my job to be scared.
Is it though?
It is. Look at the views.
Yeah. Let's check the map. We're in the right way.
The castle tower. What is
The tower we need to go? Or is it just that way? Where's the tower? It's kinda interesting that they don't even tell us. They don't even show the map, so we don't know where we're actually going. We just have to trust the characters.
Yeah. They probably know what they're doing. What do we do with this, guys?
Oh, push,
Goats?
push.
Can you ride it?
Let's go!
Yeah, buddy!
Okay, I'm gonna ride him. Where do we go now? Oh, the heck? It's that easy, just try them and
Yeah.
leave. Can we jump with them? Yes, we can.
Oh, they're gonna fly. My jumps.
This is crazy. It's one of the things I didn't expect, that we're gonna ride goats. And we actually need them because we couldn't jump those things otherwise. We made it. And they will like us. They're like, you're welcome, we're gonna just leave now. I think maybe they were captured, that we let them free now.
Maybe they're somebody. captured them before, so. That guy. Is that Einstein?
Yeah, I think it's Einstein. He's building all these inventions we have seen everywhere.
Ah.
Atta!
Ata. You dumbass, come here.
Oh, do I drop it? I think I drop it down there. Oh, I'm glad you have additional ones in there.
Where did you put that? Can you throw it over? Yeah.
That was I was trying to do, but where did you left the thing?
I was holding it. Can you go backwards?
Yeah. Can't do this because you don't have the thing anymore. And jump down. You left the thing.
No, I didn't.
You did.
I bring it here.
We have to take it because you can't even do that. Come on, brother.
Oh, it was there.
You drop it. I saw you drop it before
didn't.
you went to walk in this plank.
Anyway. Can you throw it here?
Why can't I go with this?
Yep. And throw it. Yeah, let's throw it.
Like, is that... The thing is so light, if you can just throw it like that. Okay, sir. You're safe now.
Yeah, we fixed your shit. Maybe he's gonna borrow his...
Look at he's running. What the heck? That's a weirdo. He's definitely Einstein. What the heck? Hey, what are you doing here? Alat, yeah.
Was he anything here?
Oh, you're losing.
I have to win this. Give me...
3 out of
He's
2.
gonna give us something. Did he?
What was the... Why are you wasting our time? Okay, what am I doing? You...
No, you... I doing that. You're pulling that or... Pull it or...
Doing music? This is like a instrument.
Can you left some...
Oh, windpipe.
It's dancing now. Ah.
What the heck? He's such a weird guy.
Yeah.
It's funny. Okay, we did something. Maybe
Yeah.
he's more willing to help.
Nah. I don't know to play with.
What?
You're gonna borrow his that flying thing.
Here, here. Oh yeah, we have to go down here.
What is in there?
Nothing. Nothing much. Right?
Yeah, nothing.
Nothing much.
Oh no, what is gonna happen with this? Can I fly?
Oh my god.
Come here.
Oh my god.
Left, 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 left.
Go right. Oh yeah. I maybe maybe I should hold on actually.
Let's try again.
This is crazy. I wouldn't do this. They're so amazed. They're like almost dying and they don't even care.
You trust that old guy that this
Yeah.
thing gonna fly.
This is very dangerous. Then can we go up? Or it automatically goes up? Oh,
Alright.
well, of course. We're gonna break it. He's gonna be mad at us.
It's gonna last there? Or are we gonna fall? The left or right? Maybe right?
I'm not sure.
Right? 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 Ah.
I don't know. I thought we can land there. Oh, all the way back here.
Oh man.
Can you push it? Thank you.
Just sleeping.
Did you don't have any strength left?
At rest.
You could. That's what you get playing around. Wow, wow, wow.
Whoa.
Wow. Guy, something.
Shut the pass. The birds.
Oh. So what? Do we go right, left, right? Maybe right.
Maybe right.
Because I thought we can land in the middle. That's why I didn't.
I stayed there.
I'm guessing we have to get there. Yes, that's right.
Perfect landing.
Yeah. Now we can't get back anymore.
Yeah,
But-
and the other guy.
Yeah. Bye bye.
He's
Gonna leave in here.
flying back.
That doesn't seem to bother them at all. They're just yeah, just continue.
Yeah, that's the rope. On the rope. You can use that. To do what?
Line.
Oh,
That's crazy.
they're so up.
These kids are doing literally everything in their adventure.
Maybe I'll jump there first. Yeah, and some there. The other one. Can you jump there?
Nope. It's waiting for you.
Can you hang it there? On the rope. Yeah, to hang it and look like a swing. Swing in there. Yeah, slide.
Oh yeah, I can do this. That's right.
Only there. If I drop it
Yes.
and do it.
But now,
Do it again.
where do I? Oh, I didn't see this. I was thinking.
Maybe I have to like.
Okay. That's very convenient.
And do it again. Oh, these kids are.
Crazy.
Yeah.
I wouldn't trust these things.
Can you hold it?
Yes. I was trying to climb.
Now we know what to do.
Okay, let's see. It's gonna be easier now.
What?
One at a time. You jump first.
Yep.
Otherwise we're gonna
Yeah.
fall.
And same time. Or should we have?
Oh,
to
we
go
have to go left here. Just, just swing in there. I'm gonna just go.
Woohoo! We have a great time. You have thing. Yeah.
Yes.
Hold it.
Yeah, yeah. And now we can get up.
Yeah. Finally.
Oh my god, this game. Pretty funny.
Yep. Can we cut this rope?
No. Gonna be our punishment.
Hang on there. You have to turn around here.
What are you looking here?
I don't know.
Door is there.
Something hidden in here.
There's nothing hidden. Where do you think you're going? We go here.
Can we go there? No? Can we climb here? Yeah. What's now? And jump there?
Yes.
Yeah, I saved your life.
Yeah, I'm just gonna keep swinging in here.
I guess I'll have pretty strong arms.
Yeah.
What? They stopped the madness before we even dropped.
What? Maybe they were like, you're gonna get your brother killed. Oh my god, they shouldn't let us enjoy, I guess.
Yep.
I guess we can swing then.
Yeah, we have to swing again. There's those loops. I go first. Why you did that?
Why did you? Why did you
I just said that you're gonna go first. And you just drop down. Yeah.
uh,
Tommy, come on.
okay, okay.
Stop playing around. Tony.
Accidentally.
Fuck this shit.
Okay, let's go up then.
How many lives we have spent?
Too many lives.
Alright, you hang there. And you're gonna swing.
Right.
Right?
Go.
Your turn. My turn.
We can do
Yeah,
this.
faster. Right?
We can do this. We're not gonna die here.
You're animals.
What now? Ah! I thought it's gonna land on me.
There is the front door. And
Another puzzle to get up.
Yep.
That was close. And I don't think I can jump up there. Oh, I can.
maybe you have to.
I jump higher then.
Yeah. Now it's my turn.
Ah, you're dragging me down. Hey, I can't.
I'm
You're
stuck.
so heavy. Oh my god. You're dragging us both down.
You're saying I'm fat?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll go.
Go up so I can jump higher.
Yeah. Can you jump there or hang there? Swing. Swing there. I'm swinging.
Swinging, 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 swinging. Hey, what the heck was that? What? It's like you're bullying me.
You were so slow. Hey, what are you doing?
If I'm not so slow, why you want us to start all over the beginning? Isn't that even slower?
You're having a great time. I didn't.
All right.
Back there, I have.
I can't. Okay, you have to be higher.
No, you have to go higher. One higher. Okay, again.
Ah, we made it. I thought we would never made it. Oh, this is not the way to go. Here. Where are you going? It's here.
That's it. Look if there is something to.
More climbing.
Yeah. You monkey, get up.
Oh. Okay, your turn. Okay, climb up now.
Ah,
Okay, we're in the
wait
castle.
up.
Oh,
No.
we have to run. Do we?
No. Do I have to go there? No.
Are you sure we don't have to run? Right? It feels like that. How do I jump?
don't.
Excuse me?
You don't jump.
I'm just gonna die here? Oh, I didn't see that. Maybe climb up here.
Right.
No?
No, up here.
Okay.
Ah.
More climbing. This is nice. What are you doing?
Nothing. Yeah.
You just keep swinging. I'm just gonna wait here. What are you doing?
Oh, we have to go up there. It's just together.
I accidentally went out. I mean inside.
Up. Up.
Okay, I guess you leave me here.
Yeah, you're still hanging there.
Okay, we can finally take off.
What is in there? Some bird?
Birdie bird.
Bird, a hat bird. There's the bird.
Birdie bird.
Yeah, they climbed there.
What are you doing?
Lay down. Resting.
let's sit down here. Don't save the bird. It's gonna eat us. Why? I don't know why we're helping it.
It's gonna fly us to there, the other side. It's a crumbly. Bird.
Never seen a bird before, I guess. It's a nice pictures.
What are we gonna do? We have to go there, but how we got there? Oh, we have to weight that down. Somehow. How do we get there?
Well, there's the cage. Why don't you go there?
You have to go theater.
I can do
jump here.
because I'm.
Can you throw me there? Let me do jump there.
But you did the cage.
Yeah.
Just go. Through.
Yeah. Help me.
No, I can't do anything here.
What the hell?
Why don't you go through the gates like before? Just do the thing before. Go through the gates. I can go here. You can.
Can I go? All right. I'm so dumb.
You already forgot you can do that.
I gave. Wait.
Okay. Ah, I see.
No.
You can jump so high.
This kid can fly. Maybe this guy have to start play basketball.
Oh.
Basketball. The hooper. Can you help? We need some weight. Come
Oh.
here.
Okay.
You're doing pull-ups.
Damn, you're ugly. Oh my god, you're ugly.
What happened to you?
Bleeding. It's like a owl bird.
No, it's not.
Wow, what is that?
Yeah, I like this bird. Oh no, what is it? His master gonna be angry because we stole
Yeah.
his.
I thought he was bleeding or something. I guess he wasn't because he's flying now. Yeah, that's what I thought.
No.
Did he die? He went to his last, let's just say, flight. Okay, they use those for fishing.
Is it your memory or something?
Yeah.
You have to just carry on.